Welcome to Discover Tech, where machines roar and trees fall. Watch extreme shredders and wood chippers crush tree demolitions and tackle monster stump removals in jaw-dropping, unmissable action. The Weima Vampire demonstrates extraordinary mechanical power, making it an incredibly effective, yet potentially dangerous machine. Its intense cutting force demands strict safety protocols. Deep in a stretch of private land, a sleek Fendt 142 Vario tractor rolls into position. Behind it, the Biber 92 MH chipper waits like a hungry beast. Together, they form a well-oiled team, hauling, feeding, chipping whole trees in minutes. No axes, no hauling by hand. Just clean, mechanical precision. Land clearing made fast, safe, and surprisingly efficient. Pretty slick setup, don't you think? Now this is next level shredding. Meet the Companos wood shredder, 610 horsepower, over 30 tons of pure muscle, and twin shaft tech that chews through logs like candy. Cranking out 160 cubic meters per hour, it turns forest waste into clean biomass. Nothing's wasted here, and that's a big win for the planet. Instead of letting sawdust pile up, they're taking that raw material and transforming it through heat and compression into valuable biofuel. Super smart way to turn waste into something useful. This is what real sustainability looks like in the forestry world. Innovation like this is how we build a greener future. This isn't just crushing, it's precision recycling on a whole new level. The RJ's VZ950 Titan from Bandit is a 700 horsepower monster with dual shafts built to destroy. It chews through entire cars like paper, cutting waste volume and helping keep scrap yards cleaner and greener. It's interesting how the chipper energy line works well for both forestry and farming jobs. The CT40-75 TTS is a great fit, making high-quality chips for energy use. Since people in different fields are starting to use it, you can tell there's growing interest in machines that help produce clean, renewable fuel. Now this is how you streamline operations. This machine's a total game changer for throughput. Just look at how smoothly it handles the wood. Barely any downtime, and it cranks out max output. If you're serious about boosting productivity and slashing costs, this is the way to do it. Whoa, this Peterson 2710D is seriously impressive. It weighs in at nearly 70,000 pounds, but apparently that's considered light for its class. And that 60 by 32 inch feet opening, massive. Add a 44-inch lift on the roller, and this beast can chew through just about anything. Plus, quick change screens, total game changer for output control. This represents a significant advancement in logging technology with blade movement that's both fluid and highly precise, hallmarks of operational efficiency. However, questions remain regarding the durability of the cutting edge and the maintenance requirements. Looks like they're really testing this machine. It's cool to see how it works in action. If you were using it on your own land, what would you change? Man, the Praga 53S with its 98 horsepower engine and the ZIL 131's 6x6 setup really went to war out there, dragging through bark, dirt, and everything in between like absolute beasts. But real talk, were these really the best choices to tear out an entire root system? Just saying. Deep in the forest, it's a full-blown symphony of machines at work. Leading the pack is the MNTG A 10x8 truck with 480 horsepower, backed by a beastly 500 horsepower Volvo Penta engine. Alongside are two MAN 8x8 trucks, each rocking 460 horsepower Detroit motors. But the real MVP, the Hanala 1310 wood chipper with a massive 70 by 100 centimeter intake and a 10 cubic meter bunker, it shreds branches and logs at a blazing 150 cubic meters per hour. Man, that chipper splitter combo is next level. Total time saver when it comes to handling branches and logs. It's like the one machine to rule them all. Wow, this Veneer slicer is pure genius. Watching it turn full logs into paper-thin wood sheets is mesmerizing. That chain-driven system handles massive logs like it's nothing. What once took hours now happens in seconds. Imagine what your woodworking shop could do with this kind of speed. In a recent and widely discussed comparison, the Husqvarna 572XP and the Stihl NS 462C delivered exceptional performance. Both chainsaws demonstrated impressive power and precision, making the competition extremely close. The final verdict? That remains open to debate. Anyone else given the spiral sharpening method a shot? I'm wondering, does it really make things easier than just going with a straight point? Would love to hear your experience. Utilizing a 3.4 horsepower Husqvarna chainsaw operating at 9,000 RPM, this innovative DIY picador-style easel efficiently converts raw timber into firewood, a clever and cost-effective approach to small-scale log processing. Watching raw logs get sliced into flawless slabs with that kind of surgical precision? Absolutely mesmerizing. The Peterson band sawmill, with its digital carriage and canter slabber, is no joke. Handles up to 800 millimeters thick, cuts at 25 meters per minute, and saves a ton of labor. Has it lived up to the hype for you yet? Oh man, this setup is serious. The Prinoth Raptor 800, packing a 640 horsepower Cat C18 engine, is an absolute beast. Throw in the AHYM 900 mulching head, and it just melts through wood like it's nothing. Built tough, crazy durable. And honestly, after watching this, I kind of want one for my backyard. When faced with a hung-up tree mid-fall, this experienced operator demonstrates textbook technique, creating a relief cut, inserting a stabilizing wedge, and applying controlled pressure from a safe distance. The calm execution reflects years of field experience and a deep understanding of felling dynamics. Now that's what I call efficiency. 28 trees gone in a flash. The machines at MRI are operating with crazy precision, clearing in minutes what would take people days. Those hydraulic systems are buttery smooth. No wasted motion at all. The rotating glass cabin on this chipper truck represents a significant advancement in operator ergonomics and visibility. Mounted on a MAN TGS chassis, the design by WAG Switzerland enhances both safety and efficiency. The ability to rotate the cabin provides superior control during operation, and the construction quality appears exceptional. Straight out of a sci-fi forest, the Timber Pro TN725C with the Raleigh 3 head grabs, slices, and processes trees with 320 plus horsepower and insane precision. It's wild to watch these towering beauties come down so cleanly. If you're into this kind of tech, smash that like button and show some love. Share and subscribe. Thank you for being amazing. The Cubic 2 vent fabric is a smart new machine for making firewood. It does almost everything by itself, moving the wood, cutting, and using a fan to move chips. It even separates the small dust in bits so you can manage waste better. This helps save time, work faster, and use materials more wisely. If you want to keep up with new tech in the firewood business, this is a great machine to have.